we continue our tour. This is video number 2 of some of the collection of Totes. We got a lot of Heman, some Star Wars Legos, some Star Wars in general, some Matrix, probably my favorite mech right there. A lot of people don't like it, it's fine. Tomb Raider, Ghostbusters, the wrestling turtles, the ones that they did collaboration with, and I think they still continue to do some of those. Star Wars and Transformers. Got some Black Series. Oh yeah. Stay tuned for video 3. It's coming.